Want to unlock the power of AI for free? Let's dive into how you can harness OpenAI's free tier within N8n to automate tasks with AI magic. First, head over to OpenAI's website and explore their pricing. Notice the free tier, offering a limited but powerful set of credits perfect for experimenting. Next, you'll need an API key. Create an account or log in. Then navigate to the API key section. Generate a new secret key. Remember to store it securely, as you won't be able to see it again. Now, let's jump into N8n. Start by creating a new workflow. We'll need to use the HTTP request node to communicate with OpenAI's API. Configure the HTTP request node. Set the method to post, and the URL will be OpenAI's API endpoint. For example, their text completion endpoint. In the header section, you'll add authorization. The value here will be bearer followed by your API key. In the body section, use JSON to define your request. This includes selecting the model you want to use, writing your prompt, and setting other parameters, like the maximum tokens. Alternatively, use the dedicated OpenAI Node and connect your credentials. In the credentials section, choose the operation you'd like and set up the parameters in the parameters section. Run the workflow, and voila! You've just used OpenAI's API for free with N8n. Experiment with different prompts, models, and parameters to explore the possibilities.